Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices so the connection is quick and reliable. On your Samsung, swipe down and enable Wi-Fi, then open Smart View or Cast. This sends a discovery signal. Make sure the TV is on, awake, and set to the screen mirroring input or its built-in casting service. Why this matters? Same network and active receiver let the phone negotiate codecs and resolution automatically, reducing lag and preventing failed handshakes. Once done, watch for the TV name to appear and tap it. Once you tap the TV name on your Samsung, you may see a PIN prompt on the television. Accept or enter it to confirm the secure link. After the session starts, open display settings on your phone to tweak resolution and screen timeout so the image remains sharp and stable. If the app or video uses different aspect ratios, change orientation or cropping to avoid black bars. Also route audio to the TV for full room sound, making sure Bluetooth is off to prevent conflicting outputs. To finish, simply stop casting from your phone's quick settings or disconnect from the TV menu. This ends the session cleanly and frees network resources. To optimize, lower resolution or close background apps if you notice stutter, and position devices nearer the router to improve signal. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the phone, TV, and router in that order. Confirm both devices run current firmware or app versions, and try a direct HDMI adapter as an alternate wired method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.